Hey everybody, it's your old pal Billy Blue Gloves here, also known as Drawn to You, and various other nicknames and aliases. And today we're drawing Wheatley from Portal. Alright, Wheatley is from Portal 2, to be exact, and voiced by the great Stephen Merchant. And what I'm doing here is just trying to, it's kind of an experiment in showing that, here, let me draw all these circles freehand. Okay, I do have the triangle there to do some straight lines, but for circles, I'm just doing it all freehand. And let's just see what happens here. All right, I'm getting to where I'm feeling like this is pretty much the drawing here, putting the border on. And here's the final inks. So I'm liking the way this one is working out. And oh, it looks like Drawn to You 2 is taking over. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Blue, starting out with the eye of Wheatley here. Looks good. All right, let's see what happens from here. All right, there are the two portals. And he's just putting a little aura around the edge of Wheatley here. In the final product, you see that we added a space background. So Wheatley finally realized his dream of going to space. And Drawn to You 2 is adding the cat here. That's Miso the cat and a meow to all. That means we are coming up on the end of another video here. Just filling in some last minute shading, and we are going to go back and do the background here, but this is pretty much the final drawing here. Yep, we got the 2 thumbs up. There it is. We had a good time with this one, Internet. Hope you did too. And until next time, I'm Drawn to You.